Hey guys, welcome back. A quick little video today about my new shop that is open on my website creaturesofnat.com. So when you type that into the search bar, you come to my website where you can find all sorts of things like info and all my links to my social media and my other shops down the bottom. And then what you want to do is go to this little shop tab up the top, and it will bring you to different sections. So I have art doll, resin pieces, jewellery, masks, watercolour and supplies. I'll be adding some more things later on, but let's start off with art dolls. So you click on the picture and it brings you to all the art dolls that are available, and I have some new ones available for the pre-order. So there were some of the ones that I did for the Calgary Zoo, so they are available for pre-order and they're up right now. So I've got the panda, the black and white ruffed lemur, the red fronted lemur and the ring-tailed lemur, and then 3 other dolls that are also waiting for homes, which you can find down the bottom there. If we go back, I have some resin pieces, and you'll find just one at the moment, which is my resin horn. I will be adding some more in the future, but if we go to the horn, you can see that there are some available. Go back again, there's some jewellery pieces that are available, and they are resin pieces. And I have a tablet, I have fire, earth, water and air, so they're all available as well. If we go back again, we have some masks, and this particular honey mask isn't available right now, but I have some blank made to order masks, the Hanya, the wolf and 2 wolf masks that are ready to find their homes, so they're also available. If we go back again, then we also have some watercolour pictures available, and these are original watercolour paintings on an A4 sized format. The black one with the whale on it is an A3 sized format, but all the rest are A4, and they're all painted with high quality paints and painted on high quality paper as well. So they will come flat packed. If you purchase one of them, they won't be rolled or anything, they'll come flat, so there's no chance of bending. And all these images are available in my Redbubble shop, so if you head over to my Redbubble, you'll see that there are a whole heap of different products available, from phone cases to t-shirts to other pieces of clothing, scarves, notebooks. Everything's available on my Redbubble shop. I've had a few sales the last few days, so don't know where people are finding it, but yeah, you'll find heaps of different things available, so hopefully there'll be something for you. Alright, and we have supplies. So I only have one thing of supplies right now, and that is some faux fur scraps. So they come in 3 different sizes. I only have 3 available for now, but I hope to add some more supplies later on, including some armatures and stuff like that. So just be patient. I'm trying to work out if there's any bugs in the system on the website or not. So this is where your shopping bag is, so everything that you add to your cart will go in there. There's also a login preference, so I'm not sure if it keeps your login details and stuff for stuff that you have in your cart. So alternatively, you can go through the jump down menu as well, if you don't want to go to the home page, and just select what you want to get from there, and it will take you to the same pages as what the main page takes you to as well. So all the tabs is the shop tab, and then the product shop tab, which will take you to the Redbubble and Society 6 pages, and that way you can see all of the things that are available as well, mainly just watercolours. But if you're interested in photos of my art dolls, just let me know in the comments and I can also add them to that as well. And that is it. So I can try and link below all of the videos for those 4 new pre-order dolls. There is only one available for each of them, so I don't get too overloaded. So yeah, if you do want them, do try and be quick, because I am not taking them for a long time after these 4 are sold. And also, just let me know in an email if you have any trouble with the shipping or pricing, just to make sure that things are working smoothly and that I'm charging the right shipping costs. So if it's astronomically high, just let me know and I'll take a look and try and fix it for you. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind, and I'll try and remember to link those things below. Alright, and that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!